Fire and Icy are about to become mommies. Will their babies be friends? Find out in the new episode. Hey there, I'm Fire. And I'm Icy. Oh, what's that?
I've got a surprise for you. You're gonna be a mommy soon.
Wow. There she is! Paint the diaper blue. A little snow magic. Wrap her in a blanket. Decorate with snowflakes. Hand her over gently.
What a cutie. Here's your mommy.
She's so beautiful. Time to eat, baby. Oops, who's inside? Hello, kitty. We need your balloon. Red and black acrylic. Put them together. Add sequin charcoal. Add wheels. Your barbecue stroller is ready. Fire heads out for a walk. What's wrong, sweetie? Oh, how do I calm you down? Got it. Where's my baby? There you are. How about some marshmallows?
Yippee!
Yay! Blaze is heating up for real. Let's roast them a little. Marshmallows are ready.
Did someone say marshmallows? Can we have some?
Help yourselves, kids. And this one's for you, sweetheart. What about our Icy baby? Take half a plastic lid. Cure it under a UV lamp. Attach to a clear half sphere. Wow! Fill with ice. Soft blanket inside. The Icy stroller is ready. Perfect for my little one. Oh, not very practical. Skis don't glide on grass. Mommy will fix it.
Yes.
A little snow magic. Ice conjured up snow. Here come tiny penguins. Oh, they're adorable. Stop! Wait! Caught you. The snowboard race is in full swing. Sorry, excuse me.
Oh, no.
Icy's flying like the wind. Final stretch. Victory! Icy and baby take first place. Congratulations, your trophy, miss. There must be a mistake. And a medal for the baby. Come on, cut it.
Hi.
Time to grow up a little.
I need a new outfit.
How about this one?
Wow, yes!
Wow.
Color it with a blue marker. Snowflakes for the ponytails. Warm boots.
Wow.
I look so pretty.
There you are, sweetie.
Let's go for a walk, Mommy.
My little girl wants to grow up too.
Yes.
Come with me.
Hello.
Put on a new jumpsuit. Let's fire it up. Draw little flame tongues. Sparkle her eyes. Flame hair clips.
Thanks a bunch. Bye.
Besties hit the playground.
We're going fishing. Got one.
Wow.
Come play. Okay. Looks fun. I want to try too.
Oops, the water froze.
Oh. Oops, sorry. I didn't mean to. Why are you saying anything? Oh no, they froze too. Please help. Help, help. Trouble, huh? I'm on it. Let's fix this. Oh. She's the one who did it.
Yes.
Want me to warm you up? We're not gonna be friends with you.
Uh-oh, the girls are in trouble.
You've got it all wrong. Grown-ups are coming.
Mommy's got this. Icy conjured up an ice rink. Now you can all skate together.
Wow.
Awesome. So cool.
Looks like the kids are getting along.
High five.
Good job, bestie.
Hey.
Hey, I've got another idea. Yep, me too.
Yes.
Who wants hot chocolate? It's so yummy. This one's for you, girls.
Thank you. I love chocolate. Let's share with the others. Come here. Can we have some too, please?
Of course, enjoy.
Delicious.
The girls made new friends.
Our moms are the coolest.
They're just the sweetest. Hello there. Oh, what a unique little girl you have. Oh, be good, sweetie.
Okay.
Oof, it's hot in here. Will you behave, my love?
Maybe I shouldn't go.
It'll be fine. You'll make friends. Kids, come on over.
Let's go. Hi, I'm Blaze.
Hello.
What a cool bag. Can I touch it?
Hey.
My bag! Oh, sorry, it was an accident. Just draw by myself.
Oops.
We don't want to play with you. Is Blaze crying? What happened? Everything I touch burns. I have an idea. Can you make us popcorn? No problem.
Shall we make some popcorn? Print the template. Fold along the lines. Toss some foam bits in a blender. Add a little pastel. Pour into a bag. Don't forget the drinks. Delicious snacks are ready.
It's ready.
Wow.
I love popcorn.
Don't forget your drink.
Thank you.
And this one's for you.
You're my bestie. Do you have a bestie? Tell us in the comments. Wow, popcorn! Cool mug. We figured out how to play with you. Now nothing will catch fire.
How's everything going here? Aw, the kids are getting along so well. Here's your juice, sweetie. Time to watch some cartoons.
Wow, this is awesome. I love popcorn. And cartoons, too. Being magical is pretty great.
Yes.
Let's watch the new L.O.L episode.
We want to grow up.
Welcome to the teen world. How do you like those pants? Try on the skirt.
Okay.
Nice. Let's switch the top. Decorate the skirt. Add some accessories. Pop in some earrings.
Oh, hi, Olaf.
A gift from Elsa. What's in the bag? Stylish boots and a cozy coat.
I'm gonna be the most fashionable girl there.
Wow.
I love it.
Gorgeous. Finish the look with a hair color spray. Snow's makeover is complete. Hey, how much do I have to wait? Coming right up. Amazing! Fluff up the ponytails. Perfect. Hey, Snow, it's time for college. Time to say goodbye to the moms.
Mommy, I'm gonna miss you.
You're gonna be amazing, baby. Visit often.
I promise, Mommy.
Oh, wait, just a sec. Just 1 sec. Here's all the essentials.
How am I supposed to carry all this?
Oh, my baby. Let me give you a hug.
Mom.
It's getting hot again. Let's take a photo before you go. A few awesome shots. Yay, the bus is here. Finally. High school awaits. Bye, girls.
Bye.
We already miss you. Is the bus back? What happened?
Oh.
We forgot something.
Yes.
This is for you, Mommy.
Wow.
What is it, sweetie? Lockets with photos. Okay, now we're off. I still worry so much. Hey, girl, want to go for a ride? Off we go, chasing the bus. Take some felt pieces. Apply hot glue. Draw some chili peppers. Shoulder straps. And here is the second apron. Looks like something's going on here. We're having a charity fair.
Yes.
Can we join?
Do you think we'll be okay?
Of course we will. The girls made a ton of money. High five, girl. I went in too.
But we don't have anything to sell.
Let moms cook. We need a plan.
Sweetie, I've got an idea.
An ice cream stand.
Thanks, Mommy. You're the best.
What about me? Coming right up. Everybody loves hot dogs. Mom, you're amazing! Let's go! This is awesome! Let's grill some sausages. And the first batch is ready. Time to sell. Don't forget your apron.
Oh.
Blaze looks great in hers. Hey, here's yours, Snow. Snow looks adorable. Scoot over, girls.
Hey.
The rivals have arrived. We're already selling here. Sorry, we are too now. The first customers.
I'll take 2 cones.
Can I get a hot dog? So tasty. Whoa, that's spicy. Cool down with some ice cream.
Oh.
Great idea.
Yummy.
Woohoo, a total success. Snow's got a long line of customers. And Blaze, too. The girls earned tons of money. Which crafts did you like more? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon in the next videos.
Bye-bye.